UTI. And if you live in a place with a lot of weather, you need protection.
And this is the insulated long down jacket by JAWERU. On the interior, it actually has what is like backpack straps. This is for if you're doing some activity that you start to get a little warm, you can actually wear it as a backpack. I love that these straps are actually removable. There are so many pockets. There are 4 big, huge front pockets, and on the side of each pocket, there is a zipper. There are so many possibilities. You can store your breakfast, your sock batteries, your gloves, your sunglasses. This is a perfect coat for travel. It's got 2 side pockets, one that holds pens and just an additional pocket. It has smooth seams. It has a handle on the back so that it's easy to pick up. The zipper goes up nice, and you even have the option of zipping up from below for when you're sitting down because it is long for extra comfort. Not only is this great for cold weather, but it is perfect for rain. It's so useful to have the thumb slits on the ends of the sleeves for when you're putting on gloves. You can get that extra consistent warmth from your arms to your hands. And it has some straps on the interior to stop any cold drafts or snow getting up onto your back. Our favorite part about this coat is that it is long, so it can be paired easily with a suit jacket or a blazer. This is the perfect coat for if you live in an area that gets a lot of weather.
Loved the quality and the look of this coat, and overall, it's amazing protection. And that's my point of view.